It's Craig with Squappy's Videos. We're going to unbox another microphone. Stay tuned. So what we have here today is going to be another pop voice microphone. I've actually reviewed one of these on the channel before. This is actually the PV510 Plus. Now this one is supposed to be a little bit different than the one that I actually reviewed before. The thing is, my original one is missing, sadly. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this guy. We're gonna test it out. We are gonna actually compare it to this lavalier microphone that's right here. So give me a minute, we'll go ahead and reposition the camera and we'll get this unboxed. All right guys, so here we are. This is gonna be the Pop Voice PV510. I really do hope this is in focus. I've been having issues with my camera not wanting to focus properly lately, but let's go ahead and get this done here. So about this lavalier microphone, because I had already had a lavalier microphone from Pop Voice before. Sadly, I lost that microphone. So I ended up just buying this one because I know the other one was actually a pretty decent microphone, and I want a longer microphone than the one I'm currently using with my lapel mic. So let's go ahead and get this open. So one thing I really do like about this company is that in their packaging, it's usually pretty substantial. You get a nice carrying case, which, yeah, I know that should have helped me carry the microphone, but it's nice. I don't know, some kind of fabric. Feels like cheap velvet, but it's still, you know, it's still nice. It gives it kind of at least a little bit of a premium feel overall, which does make me feel good about it. We got some instructions. There's apparently a little PC adapter. Look, they even have different wind covers there, mic covers there. Even a different, an extra clip too, which is actually pretty good. So, but yeah, they have this little adapter. They do have the booklet with this cool guy on it, and it's telling you what's in the box. So, yeah. Nice, straight to the point. And of course, here's the microphone itself. You got the clip for it. This is a hefty clip, nice metal clip. Let's see if I can get this in focus. I'm gonna get this a little closer to you guys. So. Like I said, autofocus hasn't been working well. So, but yeah, it looks like a pretty nice microphone. What I actually also like about it too is that you can just detach it from the clip. You can then just, you know, reverse it around. I can turn it upside down depending on which part of my collar I'm putting it on and everything like that. So it's always able to be put into the right position. You have the little Velcro piece here to go ahead and hold the cables. And as you see, that is a substantial cord, which is kind of one of the things I really did want with this microphone. I think that's actually something that is different about this one compared to the original one that I bought. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this. I'm gonna get this hooked up to my sound or my recorder, and we're gonna go ahead and record some audio with it. We're gonna go ahead and do a little comparison between the microphone that I currently have plugged into my recorder, which honestly it just came with my recorder. It's been doing the job, but there's no like little wind cover on it like that, and I really feel that it needs it. I am not gonna use any of these multicolored ones. I can guarantee that right now. I think that screams, I don't know, late 80s, early 90s. I mean, look at those colors. Like, those are like NBC colors right there. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this hooked up, and we're gonna do a little comparison here. So stay tuned. So as you can see, it looks like I'm actually recording on my computer right now, which I am. I'm actually recording in Premiere because I'm gonna go ahead and kind of do this in the edit. I did a little screen share, plus I'm also gonna go ahead and use the camera to show you the microphones that are actually plugged in as I'm plugging them in and everything like that. So as you see on the camera, you should see that actually at the upper right hand corner, you'll see the Pop Voice microphone. Here's the AI Worth microphone right here. As you can see, look at the comparison, you know, that cord quality here. It is very much thinner than the Pop Voice. Then I'm actually recording on my Blue Snowball, which is kind of being hidden by the camera right now. But what we're going to do a little bit of an audio test here. We're going to go ahead and just kind of change it up. We're going to plug in different microphones and everything, and just have Premiere hopefully change it automatically. So right now, like I said, this is actually going to be the Blue Snowball microphone. This is what I usually use normally overall before I was even using the lapel mic or anything like that. It does help me usually whenever I am at my desk to record some audio. So, but just as a test, once again, this is the Blue Snowball. Let's see if I can go ahead and get this to seamlessly switch over to the AI Worth microphone. So I'm actually going to go ahead and I got this guy here. I'm going to go ahead and actually unravel it a little bit, plug it up to my collar, or clip it to my collar, I should say. And then I'm going to try plugging it in. Let's hope that it actually changes. All right. So now I'm going to just do a quick tappy tap. No, it didn't change. All right. Let's see if I can manually change it. So it should be there. All right. So that wasn't too seamless overall. So now I'm actually talking on the AI Worth microphone on my lapel. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of talk a little bit here. Once again, this is all plugged into my computer. I'm just using the audio port that is in the front of my computer right now as I'm recording, just directly into Premiere instead of using the digital voice recorder. I have no problem with using that, but as far as with it, we're doing an audio test. There's no point in me getting another device involved just to go ahead and do a quick audio test. So once again, right now I am talking on the AI Worth microphone. This is the one that came with my digital voice recorder in the box that I wasn't even expecting. So, all right, let's go ahead and switch this. All right, I'm syncing audio in 3, 2, 1. All right, so now I do have the Pop Voice microphone plugged in. Looks like it peaked a little bit there, but I can adjust that in post. Overall, though, I actually think that the sound on this does sound better. I tested it out just a very quick second ago before actually doing these proper recordings, and it sounded 10 times better than the AI Worth microphone. Don't get me wrong. I think that this little guy here, I think it serves its purpose. It'll be great for having as an extra microphone. Maybe having one of these little windsocks on there might help. Overall, though, I do think that the microphone is great. It has this super long cord. I don't even know how long it is. It doesn't even say. I think it said it on the Amazon description. I don't know, but it's great. As you see on the box here, I don't know how well you can read this. Let's see. Is it in focus? There it is. So there is a 4-pin to 3-pin adapter that's included with the microphone to make it work on the PC, laptop, desktop, and most recent recorders. So actually that's the adapter I am using right now. I have a feeling I am going to need to use it also in the digital voice recorder as well. That will be something I will test out later on. But all in all, I think I'm going to finish this recording right now using this microphone. I think I paid maybe $12. I will put a update to the actual price in the screen up at the upper right, just in case. So it should be there right now. But this recorder overall, this lapel mic, lavalier microphone, whatever you want to go ahead and call it, I think it's great value. Like I said, I think I paid $12 for it. It may have gone up and everything, but this has been a great little microphone. This is the reason why I wanted to go with another one of these. Even though the first one I got was sent to me to review, this one was not. I ended up buying this with my own money. Granted, it wasn't a very expensive purchase, but I wanted to get something to make my audio a little bit better overall, guys. So take with this information with a grain of salt, of course. Your mileage may vary, but I definitely would recommend this. I do have a link that's going to be in the description down below for this microphone. It's going to be an affiliate link. It does help the channel out. I would definitely recommend that you guys click it, of course. But in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in my content, please hit the subscribe button, ring the bell if you haven't already, like the video, and overall, I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys in the next video. I do thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.